Ethan, you got a fish. Oh, there you go. All right, you've either got the gills of that fish or got that fish. Hey everyone, Tucker from Utah Mountains Fishing here with another fishing video for you. Today we're out at Strawberry Reservoir on the boat, chasing rainbows, cuts, and kokanee. Hoping to find some fish today. Nicole just got a bite. She does not have a fish, but she did just get a bite, so that's a good sign. Hopefully we'll be able to find a few more bites and a few fish while we're up here. Let's get fishing. Oh, Ethan, you got a fish. Oh, there you go. All right, you've either got the gills of that fish or got that fish.
Practice pulling it out and setting the hook.
Watch out for this point right up here, Dad. That comes out kind of shallow. All right. I see it. It's a cut. And there we go. Not a bad fish.
Yeah.
Not a bad fish at all. All right, first fish of the day. Nice size cut for Nathan.
Are you allowed to use native stuff? 1 ounce?
1 ounce. Oh, I got a fish. I think I set the hook too late. Oh, cool. I don't have mine. I don't feel it. Cole's got hers though. We're only in 48 feet of water right here. Your drag is. There you go. I don't know why your drag gets so loose. Okay. Yeah, your fish is off to the right. Staying down. It is, no, not huge. It's a rainbow. Oh, come on. There we go. It's a chunky rainbow. Holy cow. That is a very chunky fish for its size. All right, we're gonna move. We just caught 2 fish, but the wind's not blowing in a conducive direction for us to fish.
1.57.
Well, that's because the wind's now blowing at our back and our face at the same time, because I can feel it coming from both directions.
Yeah, it is, because my hood goes this way and it goes that way.
Cole, you got a fish, you got a fish. Jeez Louise.
Well, that's the fish and not the wind.
Well, it might be both. Jeez, this is really cranking us. We got to get past this point, right?
We got a lot.
We got space, but I don't know if we've got as much as you think we do.
Got a lot of depth over there.
Yep, she's got it.
That would be good.
Oh, just got off. Just popped off. Oh, yep, I got him. Oh, yep, it's there, it's there. It's jumping. I mean, if you want, you can just hand me a net, I guess. There we go. Little rainbow. There we go. Little rainbow for me, nice and chunky.
Not as chubby as mine.
No, not as chunky as yours, not even close. 3 fish in the boat going 90 miles an hour.
That's not what the fish finder said.
Oh, shoot.
Nice sunny day.
It is nice and sunny, isn't it? Huh? Jesus, this is nuts. Woo, boy. Yeah, jeez, that weight's gonna push us right into the shore. Come on, come on. Respond. That's a fish. Dad, we gotta crank that trolling motor. That wind just whipped us right into the shore. No, but I gotta turn up the trolling motor. Gosh dang it. Big boxes. Jeez. That boat blasted by us, so the wake's pushing us into shore. Nope. Come on, come on. I gotta crank us up more. We're just getting shoved right into shore. Sorry, Dad, I know you're bringing in that fish. So I can't do anything right now. I'm kind of trying to get us around this point. This wind that wind just gusted and shoved us right into shore. All right, so we fished for maybe an hour. Took us about 25, 30 minutes to get the boat back to shore. The wind is just absolutely whipping right now. It was blowing us all over the place. It was just getting real dangerous out there. Waves and swells are huge right now. Lots of white caps on the water. It's just not great weather to be out in, or at least windy wise. But we caught 4 fish between 4 of us in an hour, so that's good fishing. Caught some rainbows, a big cut. So yeah, next time we go out, we'll hopefully avoid the wind, or at least try to. Hopefully the next time you get out, you'll be able to avoid the wind too. Tight lines. Good luck, everyone.